Alright guys, so in this video we're going to take a look at how to export and build your project and make sure that audio plays in the final build of your project. So a lot of people have problems where audio will play just fine here in the Unity editor. However, when building the project, it doesn't quite work so well. So here's a method that has been working for me and that I think is easier than some of the other methods that we've been working with. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to copy the sound banks for the platform you're working in from within your Wwise project folder. Now remember that your Wwise project folder is in your Unity project root folder. So here we have our Warrior Princess Unity project folder. If we go in there, we can see our Wwise folder here. And what we want to do is copy the sound banks for the platform we're using from within our Wwise project folder. So what we're going to go to is generated sound banks, and we can see this is the platform that I've been working in. This is the platform I've been generating my sound banks in. I'm going to copy this Windows folder, and then I'm going to go back out to my Unity root folder, and I'm going to paste them in the following path. I'm going to go to Assets, Streaming Assets, Audio, Generated Sound Banks. I'm going to paste that Windows Platform folder here into Generated Sound Banks. With that done, I'm going to go into my Unity project, File, Build Settings. I'm going to build for PC, Mac, and Linux standalone. Target platform is Windows because that's what I'm building for. And then I'm just going to click Add Open Scenes. And that's going to add the testing A03 scene that we've been working in. And I'm going to select Build and Run. You're going to get a dialog asking you where you want to save it. I'm going to go ahead and save it to my desktop. And the file name is going to be Warrior Princess Demo. Save as type exe, which is a Windows executable file, and then hit save. It's going to go through the process of building that game for you and creating the files on your desktop if that's where you've selected to build it. So then you're going to get this configuration window that pops up, and you're going to select your resolution. Now I'm playing on a screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, so that's what I'm going to select. The graphics quality I want to be fantastic, and select the monitor you want to play on. I only have one, so I'm going to play it on display 1. Then I'm going to press play, and it's going to start our game. Alright, so here we are in game, and so we know that we have added audio to our unarmed combat run. So we want to make sure that that is behaving properly, just like it did when we were setting up our Unity project. So we can test that by clicking anywhere on the playfield. Alright, looks like our avatar is triggering the correct audio events during the correct animation. And also we set up a switch for our footsteps that will switch our grass footsteps to wood footsteps when we enter this box here. So let's test that. Alright, that sounds great, and we also know that we set up a switch to play grass footsteps when we're outside of the box, when we leave the box, so let's test that. Alright, that looks like it's working perfectly. Now what we want to do is test to make sure that our one-handed attack animation plays the audio that we've set up for that. So let's press 1 to bring up our sword, and then right-click to play the sword animation, and as you could hear, everything's working correctly. We have a pre-swing and swing event that are called during the specific animation frames that we have that we've declared. So there you have it. Everything seems to be working all right. Now let's go ahead and add some more audio to some more attack animations and the corresponding footstep animations. You now have all of the tools and steps and instructions you need in order to go forth and add some more audio events to some more animations.